You might be wondering, Jordan, what's the best way to learn vocabulary? So today I'm listing my 5 favorite ways to learn new vocabulary. Number 1, watch a movie and read the subtitles. 2, download the Quizlet app and practice new vocab with Quizlet. Number 3, read as much as you can. Number 4, listen to music and learn the lyrics or the words to the songs. Number 5, try having a conversation with somebody. Use any new vocabulary that you learned this week in your conversation. Those are just some of my personal favorites of ways of practicing and learning new vocabulary. Tell us what you did this week to practice vocab and what new words you learned.